Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study with the fifth chapter of our English literature book, The Treasure Seekers, Part 2. In the previous class, we have studied about the Part 1 of this chapter. Today we are going to study the Part 2 of this chapter. So, when we had agreed, now let's move on to the chapter. When we had agreed to dig for treasure, we all went down. So, what happened? Who gave the idea of digging of treasure? Dora gave the idea of digging for treasure, but everyone refuted the idea. But still, it was in the mind of Oswald, and he kept on thinking about this idea. Who is Oswald? Oswald is the speaker of this chapter. Okay. So finally, they agreed to dig for treasure. We all went down to the garden, found a place in the big round flower bed where the ground was soft. Okay. So they all of them went to the garden and there was a big round flower bed. फ्लावर बेड मतलब बहुत बहुत बड़ा एरिया था जहाँ पे उनने फ्लावर्स लगाए हुए थे. ठीक है, वहाँ पे क्या ग्राउंड उनने सोचा वहाँ पे वो खुदाई करेंगे बिकॉज द ग्राउंड वॉज सॉफ्ट ओवर देयर. We thought we would make a smaller hole to begin with. Dug and dug and dug, and it was a jolly hard work. We got very hot digging, but we found nothing. Okay. So at the beginning, they thought that they will make a small hole over there, and they kept on digging and they kept on digging, and they were enjoying this work, but it was a very much hard work. Okay, and they felt very hot after digging continuously for a lot of time. They started feeling hot, but after digging for a lot of time, they didn't find anything. Presently, Albert next door looked over the wall. We did not like him very much, but we let him play with us sometimes. Okay, now Albert next door. Albert was one of his neighbor's child, and he used to stay next door, and he was looking over the wall to see what these brothers and sisters were doing. But these vegetables children did not like Albert a lot, but they allowed Albert to play with them sometimes. Albert is always very tidy. He wears frilly collars and velvet knickerbockers. I can't think how he can bear to. Okay. So Albert is always very neat and tidy. He frilly collars मतलब उसके collars कैसे होते frill होते हुआ करते थे. और velvet knickerbockers मतलब ऐसे pants जो knees तक होते हैं. And every and Oswald used to think कि ये कैसे ऐसे कपड़े पहन लेता है. So we said hello and he said, what are you up to? We are digging for treasure, said Alice. An ancient parchment revealed to us the place of concealment. Come over and help us. Oh, okay. Now looking at Albert, every one of them said hello, and he asked that what are you all doing? Then Alice said that we are digging for treasure. हम treasure के लिए खुदाई कर रहे हैं. And ancient parchment मतलब parchment क्या होते हैं? Animal skin, dried animal skin. ठीक है. तो एक पुराने एनिमल स्किन में मुझको ये मिला था. ये बोलते खजाने के बारे में पता चला था, कंसीलमेंट की यहाँ पे खजाना छुपा रखा है. ठीक है. और प्लीज़ आओ और हमारी भी हेल्प करो. वेन वी हैव डग डीप इनफ वी शैल फाइंड अ ग्रेट पॉट ऑफ रेड क्ले फुल ऑफ गोल्ड एंड प्रीशियस ज्वेल्स. ओके. और जब हम वेन विल डग डीपली इनसाइड द लैंड वी विल फाइंड अ pot of red clay मतलब एक red colored pot, and inside that pot that will be gold and precious jewels. So come and help us in digging. Albert next door only sniggered and said, what silly nonsense. Albert cannot uh, play properly at all. It is very strange because he was a very nice uncle. Okay. So listening to this, Albert said that what are you say, what nonsense things you are talking, because and Albert was not able to play properly, and it was Albert was a kid, was a child of the age of the bastable children, but still he was not able to pray properly because he had become like an uncle. According to the speaker, he became like an uncle. मतलब वो मतलब खुद को एक ऐसे बड़े इंसान की तरह कैरी करता था, इसलिए वो खेल ही नहीं पाता था बच्चों की तरह. So Oswald said, come and dig, then you shall share the treasure when we have found it. But he said, I shall not. I don't like digging. I'm just going into my tea. Okay. Then Oswald asked Albert to that dig and come and dig with us, and when we find the treasure, we'll share the treasure with you. To this, Albert replied that I will not. I don't like digging, and I'm going inside to have my tea. Come along and dig, and there is a good boy. Alice said, you can use my spade. It's much the best. Then again Alice asked that you are a good boy and come and start digging with us, and you can use my spade. एक तरह का औजार होता है. ठीक है. and you can spade से, and she says that it will be very easy with the spade. So he came along and actually we shall have to make a tunnel, Oswald said, to reach the rich treasure. So he jumped into the hole and began to dig on one side. Okay. Now, after Alice asked him to come, so he came and started digging, and then Oswald said that I think we should make a tunnel. Tunnel means surang, okay, so that we could reach to the treasure. So what did Oswald do? Oswald jumped into the hole and he started digging in one side. After that, we took it in turns to dig the tunnel, and Pincher, our dog, was most useful in scraping the earth out of the tunnel. Now, what happened after that, turn by turn they started digging the tunnel, and they had a dog named Pincher. तो पिंचर ने बहुत मदद की ताकि वो सारी मिट्टी टनल से बाहर निकाल सके. तुम लोग ने देखा होगा कि कुत्ते कैसे मिट्टी फेंकते हैं अपने पैरों से. ओके, he does it with his back feet when you say rats, and he digs with his front and burrows there with his nose as well. Okay, तो वो मिट्टी पीछे वाले लेग से अपने फेंका करता था. एंड व्हेन द वेजिटेबल चिल्ड्रन यूज्ड टू से रेड, ही यूज्ड टू डिग विथ हिज फ्रंट लेग्स एंड यूज्ड टू बरो हिज, अपने नोज से सूंघता था कि रेड्स मिल रहे हैं कि नहीं. ठीक है. At last the tunnel was nearly a yard long and big enough to creep along to find the treasure. If only it had been a bit longer. Now it was Albert's turn to go in and dig, but he funked it. ओके, नाउ द टनल हैड बिकम अराउंड अ यार्ड लॉन्ग. बहुत बड़ा हो चुका था, और इतना बड़ा हो चुका था कि कोई भी इनसाइड अंदर जाके उसके अंदर ट्रेजर ढूंढ सकता है. इफ़ इट ओनली हैड बीन अ बिट लॉन्गर. Now everybody asked Albert to go inside and dig, but he refused. It's quite easy, Alice said. You just crawl in and dig with your hands. Then when you come out, we can scrape. What have you done with the spade? You won't notice it being dark in the tunnel if you shut your eyes tight. We all have been, except Dora. She doesn't like worms. Okay. But when Albert denied, Alice said that it is very easy. तुम बस अंदर जाओ, रेंगते हुए अंदर जाओ और अपने हाथों से खोदना चालू कर दो. एंड जब तुम बाहर आ जाओगे तो हम सारी मिट्टी क्या कर लेंगे, स्पेड से उठा लेंगे. स्पेड फावड़ा, ठीक है, फावड़ा को बोलते हैं. स्पेड से सारी मिट्टी उठा के फेंक देंगे. और क्या करना, इफ़ यू फील डार्क इनसाइड द टनल, क्या बोलती है एलिस कि अगर तुम्हें अंदर अंधेरा लग रहा हो तो अपनी आंखें बंद कर लेना, तो तुमको अंधेरा नहीं लगेगा. सो बेसिकली दे आर ट्राइंग टू मेक अ फनी सीन ओवर हियर. ओके. And then Alice said that we all have gone inside the tunnel except Dora because she doesn't like worms. I don't like worms either, Albert next door said this, but we remembered how he picked up a red, fat and black worm in his fingers and thrown it at Dora only the day before. So forty में. So when Alice said that Dora hasn't gone inside because she doesn't like worms, to this Albert replies that I also don't like worms, but he was just giving excuses. How they were able to understand that he was giving excuses? Because the previous day he took up a fat and red black worm and thrown at Dora. So that's why they put Albert inside the tunnel. Let me go and feed first, said Albert next door. I will dig with my birds. तो वो पहले क्या बोल रहे थे कि हम तुम्हें सिर के बल डालते हैं, हम लोग तुम्हें पैर से पकड़ लेंगे और तुम हाथ से खोदने लगना. वेजिटेबल बच्चे बोलते हैं. तो वो डर जाता है, तो बोलता है नहीं नहीं, मैं पैरों के बल जाऊंगा और मैं अपने बूट्स, उसने जो बूट्स पहने थे, बूट से खोदूंगा. I will truly honor Bright, so we let him get in feet first, he said, sticking out of the hole, and all the rest of him in the tunnel. Okay. So he said that please let me go through my feet first. I will dig properly. So he went through his feet first. His feet was on the ground surface, and his head was out of the tunnel. And uh, head was out of the tunnel. Now dig with your boots, said Oswald, and Alice, do catch hold of Pincher. He will be digging again in another minute, and perhaps it would be uncomfortable for Albert if Pincher threw the mold into his eyes. Okay. Now Oswald asked Albert to dig with his boot, and and he also asked Alice to होल्ड पिंचर, बिकॉज अगर वो पिंचर को उसके साथ डाल देगा, किसके साथ, एल्बर्ट के साथ इकट्ठे डाल देगा, तो क्या करता है, पिंचर कौन था, एक डॉग था, तो पिंचर क्या करेगा, मिट्टी फेंकेगा, तो पूरी धूल मिट्टी किसके मुंह पे आएगी, एल्बर्ट के मुंह पे आएगी. इसलिए तो बोलते अभी तुम उसको पकड़ के रखो, फिर उसको मैं थोड़ी देर बाद इस सुरंग में डालूंगा, वो फिर मिट्टी खो देगा. You should always try to think of these little things. Thinking of other people's comfort make him like you. Alice held Pincher and we all shouted, kick, dig with your feet all your worth. For all you are worth. Okay. So further, Oswald says that you should think of all these little things. You should not तुम्हें ये सब छोटी छोटी बातें सोचना चाहिए. तुम पिंचर को इकट्ठे डाल दोगे उसके साथ, किसके साथ, एल्बर्ट के साथ, तो एल्बर्ट को दिक्कत होगी. यू शुड थिंक दैट हाउ इट वुड बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर एल्बर्ट एंड इट वुड make him uncomfortable. And all of them started shouting for Albert that kick, dig with your feet for all you are worth. ठीक है, उसका मोटिवेशन बढ़ाने के लिए they all started motivating Albert so that he could dig further. So Albert next door began to dig with his feet and we stood on the ground over him waiting, and all in a minute the ground gave away and we tumbled together in a heap. So Albert next door began to dig with his feet and we stood on the ground over him. Okay. So Albert what did? Albert started digging with his feet and everyone was all the vegetable children were standing around him, and all in a minute the ground gave away and we tumbled together in him. Okay. So what happened? क्या हुआ कि वो जो रेत का टीला बना था वो पूरा गिर गया. ठीक है, और सारे बच्चे क्या हुए, गिर गए. ठीक है. When we got up there was a little shallow hollow where he had been standing, and Albert now after all the children stood up. अब वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, तो बस एल्बर्ट जो वहाँ पे था, एल्बर्ट जहाँ से अंदर गया था टनल के, वहाँ पे बस छोटा सा होल बचा था. ठीक है, छोटा सा होल बचा था. And where he had been and Albert next door was underneath struck and all the sand and all those things have roof of the tunnel had सारा उसके ऊपर गिर गया और उसके नीचे धंस गया था. ठीक है, अब उसका सिर भी ढक गया था और वो पूरा टनल के अंदर फंस गया था. ही इज़ अ हॉरिबल अनलकी बॉय टू हैव एनीथिंग टू डू विद. इट वॉज ड्रेडफुल द वे ही क्राइड एंड स्क्रीम. वी वुड हैव डग हिम आउट ऑल राइट इनफ इन टाइम बट ही स्क्रीम सो मच दैट वी वर अफ्रेड द पुलिस वुड कम. सो अब वो पूरा उसका पहले सिर दिख रहा था, एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, उसका पहले सिर दिख रहा था, फिर ये पूरा रेत जो भी इनने इकट्ठा किया वो इसके ऊपर पूरा गिर गया था. तो ही स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग एंड हाउलिंग एंड क्राइंग इन अ डीप लाउड वॉइस, and the vegetables children would be able to dig him right out, but he started shouting and screaming in such a high pitched voice that the children started thinking that the police will come. So Dickie climbed over the wall to tell the cook to tell Albert next door uncle that he had been buried by mistake, and to come and help him dig. So what did Dickie do? Dickie climbed over the wall and he went to Albert next door's house, and he told the cook of Albert next door's house so that the cook could tell Albert's uncle, so that that Albert has been buried by mistake. मतलब वो गलती से उसके अंदर धंस गया है और उसके ऊपर मिट्टी चली गई. आप प्लीज़ आके हमारी हेल्प कीजिए ताकि हम एल्बर्ट को वहाँ से निकाल सके. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन टुडेज क्लास वी हैव स्टडीड हाफ ऑफ द चैप्टर एंड टुमारो विल स्टडी द रिमेनिंग हाफ ऑफ द चैप्टर. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.